Hi, good morning. It's Paul here. It is May 2nd, 2019. Let's see what's new on the greater Las Vegas real estate market. Okay, today, lowest price property came in at $80,000. It's 750 square foot, 2-bedroom condo, built in 1963. Wow. Moldy but moldy. I think he lived there for a while too. At least the bathtub is somewhat clean. Huh. Okie dokie. Interesting stuff. Going off laundry. Oh, sparkling clean pool. Okay. So where is this thing on Daisy Street? It is on Swenson and Twain. Okay, right over near the NLB, near the strip. Be a good rental unit. Okay. Highest priced one looks like here. Bighorn Ridge, $1,580,000. Oh, nice house, corner lot, beautiful pool, privacy, water going around there maybe. Okay, house up on the hill up there, big kitchen. Southwest somewhere. Nice views. Nice outdoor living area. Pretty nice. Okay. McDonald Highlands. Okay. Pretty good. And next, yesterday was a 99,000 two-story condo, 460 square feet. Looks like a studio. No bedrooms. I should close the toilet seats when they take pictures. What's it say here? Yeah, just a studio. Okay. Yesterday, let's see what the highest priced property was. $2.9 million over on Horizon Light. 2.19. It's 5,500 square feet, 5 beds, 5 baths, 3-car garage, no pool. That's interesting. Okay. Contemporary. Pretty white, pretty sanitary. Nice view. There's the Stripola. Okay. That's right over on Horizon Ridge there, in Green Valley. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's that. Let's see. We have 686 properties in contract. Wow. And here's what has sold in the last couple of days. Today is the 2nd. So we had one reported this morning. Condo, 1,400 square foot for $205. Okay, got a garage. Upstairs unit. Okie dokie. Over on Charleston. Charleston and Cimarron. Okay. And yesterday we had a manufactured home out of the area. Okay. Silver Mist. Here's a 2-story condo for $100,000. Okay, looks pretty nice and clean. Yep. Basic. Got some chips on the countertop there, so it's just Formica. But, you know, nice and clean. Basketball court, swimming pool. Where would we see it? Off of Boulder Highway there. Okay. Then, all these are closed yesterday. Busy day. 1.6 million. Nice. Look at that wine room. Starting to make them that way. All open, glass. Just to show it off, everything has to be perfect. Look at all those labels, just perfect. OCD at its best. I like the lighting, but not that color. Oh, it's a little nicer, so you can change the color of it. Pretty cool. Got a nice fireplace there too. Well, somebody liked this house. House doesn't look like it. Bed doesn't look like it got made. Maybe it's just like that. It's really short. Yeah, that's a really big room. Okay. Okay, that all looks pretty nice. Where is Imperial? On Grand Hills, okay? Right here near the office. And when was this built? 2001. Great. Well, that's that. Now let's check out Pool Homes. See what's happened in the last few days here. 3, 0 to 3. Single family homes. The pool. Let's see what we got here. Wappa Valley. 79 the last couple of days. Okay, and the results are prices anywhere from $219 out of the area, so $233 in the area, to $1.65 on Garden Shadow. I see something here. Look at square footage. $3.99. Okay, well, that's it for today then, and I guess I will talk to you tomorrow. Tomorrow will be finally a Friday. Have a good day.